guys, and welcome once again here back to my channel. I can't believe it, guys. We are day number 9 for our 12 days of crafting. It's almost there. It's almost over. So on today's video, guys, we are going to work on these candles. We're going to transfer over any image you want to a candle to make your candles very, very festive. Now, before we continue, guys, if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Josie. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and tag me anytime you guys finish your Christmas crafts so I can give you guys a shout out. Well, without further ado, guys, let's get started on this awesome creative project. First thing you do is you're going to cut the tissue paper a little bit smaller than your cardstock paper, and then you're just going to tape it down. After you tape it down on the edges, you're going to go ahead and print. And this is how it looks after you print it. After you print it, you're going to cut around the images. And this is how it looks. Just cut close to the images as possible. Next, you're going to cut out your wax paper. And the way I do it is I cut a big sheet, measure it over the candle I'm going to use, and cut the strip. Make sure you have a strip that's going to go over the candle. Now here comes the fun part. After you put your wax paper around your candle, you're going to use your hair dryer and start going over the image. You're going to know when to stop as soon as you start seeing the image get wet. This is how you know you're almost done. It looks wetter than when you started. After you're done transferring the image, you're going to wait a couple of minutes, let it dry off, and then make sure you get out any of the air bubbles out of the picture before you start removing the wax paper. Now that I finished the small candle, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my bigger candle. It's the same process, guys. I'm going to put the image over the candle, get my wax paper, put it over the image, and go ahead and use the hair dryer to finish the process. After I finish using the hair dryer, I go ahead and remove the wax paper once again. This should be nice as well. Perfection. Since this one's going to be a little bit different, I decided I'm going to use ribbon that I got for the Dollar Tree and put it around the candle at the top and the bottom. And this is the end result, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this project as much as I did. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Have a good one.